Hey guys, I'm just here to tell you, when you're like 8 or like 9, is this normal? Do you see that? Is that normal? I do not know if that is normal, but please do not laugh at me, or else I will be under your bed. It feels weird, it looks weird, but when I talk, it's like normal. Don't judge me. Don't laugh at me, or else I'll be under your bed at night watching you sleep.